Welcome growing old. Autoflowers, I believe it's week 7.
The name you'll hear around, 'cause we're planting seeds in sacred ground. We cultivate with purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams and glows.
Okay, so this will be the first auto we look at, and believe it or not, this is Tiny Dancer. She decided she was tired of people making fun of her, so she got a haircut. And actually, she looks pretty good. I mean, we're gonna get something off of there. That's gonna be nice. But yeah, she looks nice. She's training well. Now let's check out our Gorilla Glues. Okay, so here's our first Gorilla Glue. And whenever I talked about ease of harvest in some of our other videos, this is what I'm looking for in when you're doing an auto. I mean, branch, a bunch of buds, and just some leaves, and there you have it. But I mean, if we get in real close, this baby is purple. And that all comes from, you know, it was like 48 degrees in here last night. So, you know, it gets down in the 40s and then it'll get up to 90 during the day. So that wide range of temperatures is making those colors just pop out. Now here's our second Gorilla Glue. And it's pretty much the same. I mean, I love the structure. I mean, I wish some of these were out a little more like that first one, but I mean, this is gonna be a great big huge bud. It's all nice and purple and frosty and sticky and smells really nice. Yeah, it's gonna turn out really, really well. And I had to take and spread these apart because this one was over here, so just doing a little training there. And now we'll just cruise on down to our totem poles. And you can see I trimmed this one up. She's looking pretty good now. Once you trim that down, they look less like a cactus and more like cannabis. But I mean, that's a pretty nice big bud there, and she's all trimmed down. And these buds, I mean, these buds have gotten bigger just since I trimmed her up. So she's going to turn out really nice. Not a big yield, but really nice. And then here's the last one. And I'll tell you what, she didn't want to give up any of her extra leaves, man. But I trimmed her way down, and I mean, she's just as purple as the other ones, and she's going to get really nice. We'll get something off of that. But that's it. I'd like to thank all of our subscribers. Again, welcome to all the new subscribers. Great community. We love doing this. This is a blast. We hope you guys love it too. Thank you very much.